That's
What's Mr.
baby.
Commodore doing?
I don't know.
Must be having a seizure because he's not driving very fast. He's not driving like he stole it.
Maybe that's why, because he owns it. Doesn't want to wreck it. Or, when you've committed a crime, you actually go below the speed limit so then you don't attract attention, right?
Well, that's what the smarter ones do.
Well, that boot looks a bit heavy. So I'm just saying, I reckon if you're kidnapped, it's pretty shit, right?
Yeah.
But you want to be snug in the boot, otherwise you'll be bumping around. They'd have to strap me in, because you can fit two of me in the boot. And they'll be bumpy to bump.
Bump heads. Now they pulled their finger out. Now they pulled their finger out.
Maybe the occupant is kicking. Drugs have worn off, they're awake. You know when you see the sign concealed driveways?
Yes.
I know it means be careful, right? But in my head, what I hear is sneaky bucker. He's going to come out and get ya.
Like having a concealed weapon.
They're doing something wrong.
I haven't seen much wildlife today. Yesterday I was seeing bunnies.
Sunday. Everybody rests on a Sunday. It's very religious down here.
Even the bunnies?
I haven't seen any bunnies. Oi.
Oi!
Oh.
I blew out the catalytic converter.
Well, that's going to give me cancer. Thank you.
We're talking about bunnies and he's giving us a gutful of catalytic converter.
What's the connection?
Nothing.
I reckon he's got two bodies there. There's a lot of bounce.
Maybe it's a rather large human in there.
Oh, come on, would you do that? You'd break your back
Billy
trying
goat.
to get him in. A billy goat? Where?